Hey, Dan here. I'm out in the wheelchair garden again, digging a hole for my bell peppers. Now this is real easy because I had potting mix. One of the things you have to remember on potting mix though is you just can't plant stuff in it because it resists water a lot. So anyways, I'm digging a hole. You can see that. See the way I have to grip the shovel here. You don't need that big of a hole for bell peppers. And let's see, I'll get the bone meal. And I'm going to get just the tip of the shovel, a little scoop. And this bone meal is very fine. Here, put some in there, mixing it around. And now I wanted to show you how I cut the, I'll get that out of the way, how I cut the netting off of the peat pellet. This peat pellet was a 50 millimeter by about 30 millimeter. Oh well, guess I got a little bit of dirt in my scissors there. So we'll try the other way. There we go. We look like we're through. I'll peel this netting back. And it does peel pretty easy. Just hope that your peat all stays together. This is a little bit wet because it rained and these were out last night. So it made it maybe a little bit loose, but it's no problem. And you want, unlike a tomato plant, you want this to be kind of level with the ground. So there, just fill it in. And there you are. I'll come back later and water them in. This probably first couple days it's going to be here. I need to water them in. I'm going to be putting fertilizer, liquid fertilizer on this, and that's pretty much it. Okay, cut it. Well, here you can see my bell peppers. These were planted inside from seed on April 6th. And today is July 8th. So we're a little over 90 days. And this is probably the best crop of bell peppers that I've ever gotten. I usually get 2 bell peppers off of each plant if I'm lucky. And what I did is some of the first and early buds down on the bottom, I pulled them off, and it seemed to have helped. Looks like I need to get some soil here though. I had robins in here pulling dirt out of this plot, and so now we got some roots exposed.